AI image generators can allow you to create stunning works of art. By using a WordPress AI image generator, you can take the creative ideas you have in your head and turn them into realities. As the technology has improved, we've seen an increase of different products on the market, but today I'm going to go over 5 of the absolute best AI image generators you can use with WordPress. And the first one I want to talk about is Divi AI. Divi AI is a mighty AI tool that supercharges the popular Divi WordPress theme. It can interpret the context of your entire website and use that understanding to generate content and images automatically. With it, you won't need to use websites like Shutterstock or search for stock images. And with Divi AI, you can easily create the perfect image from your page right within your Divi builder. You can make digital paintings, 3D renderings, hand-drawn sketches, and so much more. Also, you can modify your existing images, changing their style with a single click. Divi AI makes it easily attainable for everyone to be able to create the images that they need for their site, and paid plans start at just $18 per month. I'm going to talk about some amazing tools today, and if you want to check any of them out, head down to the video description below. There you're going to find links available for every single one. If you do decide to make a purchase using these links, we may receive a commission, which does help support our team and all of our ad-free videos. But let's move on, and the second one I want to talk about is AI Engine. AI Engine is a robust WordPress AI plugin with various AI generation features, one of which is an AI image generator that you can use right inside of WordPress. This tool gives you a few style templates that you can use to create images for your blog posts and pages. You can issue text prompts in addition to or outside the style templates to create unique images for your website. Furthermore, AI Engine makes using your generated images around your website super easy. You might want to consider using AI Engine on your website for a practical AI image generator with copy and chatbot functionality. Paid plans for AI Engine start at just $49 per year. Number 3 is Elementor AI. Elementor AI uses text prompts and styles to create images within the Elementor builder. You simply describe the type of image you want, and Elementor AI will be able to make it. You can create visuals wherever they are within your editor. Furthermore, Elementor AI has powerful editing functionality, allowing you to edit your creations in the builder directly. If you're looking for a generator that allows you to make extensive edits to your digital images without leaving the WordPress dashboard, Elementor AI does an excellent job of providing you with additional tools to edit your AI images. Paid plans for Elementor AI start at just $2.99 a month, but it does require an Elementor membership, which does start at $59 per year. Number 4 is AI Power. AI Power is a WordPress plugin with a solid mix of AI tools, including an AI image generator. A standout feature of AI Power's image generator is the sheer number of settings you can mix and match to create digital art. Some of these settings include being able to pick a style, take inspiration from famous artists, and more, which you can all combine to create your digital art in WordPress. With over 12 different image customization options, being able to generate between 1 and 10 images at a time, and being able to add special effects such as bokeh, blur, double exposure, and more, AI Power is an excellent tool for creating digital art. There is a free version available, and paid plans start at just $7.99 per year. And number 5 on the list is AI Content Writing Assistant. Now, AI Content Writing Assistant is focused on creating written content. However, it is also a good AI image generator that you can use with WordPress. This tool gives you a myriad of presets and image experiments, allowing you to create one-of-a-kind digital art from within your WordPress dashboard. Also, something to note is you can save your image creations in the WordPress media library directly. This means you can insert your visuals anywhere through your WordPress site. This tool is probably best for bloggers, content creators, and writers who want a strong AI writing assistant with image generation capabilities. And there's a free version available with paid plans starting at just $3.33 per month. So there you have 5 of the absolute best AI image generators that are available for WordPress. Now again, if you want to check any of them out, go down into the links that are in the video description below, which you can use to check them out for yourself. If you do decide to make a purchase using these links, we may receive a commission, which does help support our team and all of our ad-free videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you found it useful. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite image generator is, and I'll see you in the next video.